Hey guys, Matt Tuffelmeyer here with Heartland RV, the product manager for Big Country in Elkridge. Today I just wanted to show you guys one of our newest floor plans, the Elkridge 32RK. Some of our big stuff is the Rotaflex pin box. It's an upgraded pin box that helps with the chucking and the up-down action of the coach. Something else Heartland has as an exclusive is our patent pending Store More storage system. 3 points of access, allows a lot of good space for the exterior storage. And then going back to what everybody cares about, the hydraulic level up system. In this price point, 6-point hydraulic level up standard for all Elkridge floor plans. Hey guys, now we're inside the Elkridge 32RK, one of our newest floor plans. As you can see, it is a rear kitchen model. The new floor plan that provides a lot of cabinet space, a very unique rear kitchen setup with a lot of windows and a lot of natural light, featuring our new wood colors, our new options and features on the inside of the coach.